Hello everyone. Today we're going to review the Curt angled shank cargo carrier for your 1 1/4 or 2-inch receiver. Let's go ahead and take a look at how to put it together. You will need the following tools or supplies to complete this installation. We will begin this installation by putting the mounting shank in the vehicle. We have an 1 1/4, so we do not need the adapter. If you are putting this on a 2-inch, just install the adapter first. There's a nub on the plastic that will line up so you can insert into the vehicle. You can now insert the mounting shank into the vehicle and affix with the hitch pin. First place on your locking washer, then a flat washer. Use a 19mm tool to tighten the hitch pin. You can now insert the R pin into the hitch pin. We can now connect our trays with our connecting brackets. Make sure the wider end faces down. Use the provided M10 carriage bolts to affix each bracket. Pass the carriage bolt through the bracket, through the tray, affix with the nylon locking nut. You can now place the cargo tray onto the mounting shank so we can place our center brace bar in place, making sure the divot faces down. This may be tricky, it may be helpful to get a second set of hands, but we can now pass our 1/2-inch carriage bolts through our brace, through the trays, and through the mounting shank. We can now install the side braces using 2 spacers and the 2 1/2-inch lock nuts. Install the spacer, put on the brace, and affix the nylock nut. Install your remaining M10s into the brace. There will be one on either end. Now repeat for the second brace. We're now ready to tighten and torque all the hardware. Do be sure that the square of the carriage bolt is in the seated hole before tightening. Let's first begin with the trays and the connecting brackets and get them flat and even before moving on. You can now tighten and torque your 2 1/2-inch carriage bolts going through the mounting shank. Lastly, affix the 4 M10 bolts holding the side brackets in place. With the carrier put together, we're now ready to load our cargo. You may find that the cargo you load blocks your license plate or your indicator lights, left turn and right turn. No fear, U-Haul has you covered with auxiliary indicator lights and an illuminated license plate holder. I will link the videos up above and the purchase links down below. That concludes the Curt angled shank cargo carrier. Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to see you out there. This angled shank cargo carrier fits 1 1/4 and 2-inch receivers. It has a max capacity of 300 pounds. If you have any questions about this cargo carrier, or if you'd like to take a closer look at one, visit your nearest U-Haul Hitch Center or visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. You can also download the U-Haul app using the link in the description for even more ways to manage your hitch and towing needs.